If you write a lot, blog posts, essays, emails, you know how easy it is to overuse the same word without noticing. Here is how to catch it instantly. Head to FlipCaps.net and type Duplicate Word Finder in the search bar at the top. Paste your text into the tool. Right away, it shows you every word you are repeating, sorted by how often it appears, with color-coded bars so you can see at a glance which words you are leaning on too hard. You can toggle off stop words like the and, so you only see the words that actually matter. You can also set a minimum word length and turn case sensitivity on or off. When you are done, copy the results or download them as a text file and use it as your editing checklist. And your writing never leaves your device. No upload, no server, nothing stored anywhere. It all runs right inside your browser. Free to use, no sign-up, no character limit. If this helped, like and subscribe, and check out the other tools on FlipCaps.